Alright, y'all, I am out here with my Kirby G5. Yeah, I'm having to clean up a little bit out here, so what better machine than my lovely G5? And we got some busted plastic out here and a little bit more dog food that I didn't get with the sanitaire. So, here we go. Should be able to get picked up. Yeah, I love my G5 now. Yeah, I'm thinking of just selling that other Centria, by the way. Because so far, I mean, I do like the other one better than this one because it's in better condition, but I don't want to sell something that has a bag in worse condition than the machine itself. I mean, I've already cleaned a lot of corrosion off of this one because it was just so bad. It was corroded beyond belief and all that because whoever had it before probably left it outside a lot. But that doesn't seem to hurt it because Kirby's are tough guys now. Sorry, I had to take a quick puff. But yeah, Kirby's are tough guys. I mean, my classic 1CR and my classic 1CB, they took a real beat down in post-construction cleanups. Like, I opened the mTOR and they were full of little nails and all that. I mean, not the tiny ones like, well, it's not here, but not the tiny ones like this one that this ring is hanging on, but they weren't huge, but they actually ate them. Both Kirby's actually ate those nails, and and they came out unscathed. Now, I'm not going to give all the credit to just the classics, because I've used my Legend 2 at work before as well, and it took a real beating as well. So, yeah, this, I'm not surprised, came out unscathed as soon as I got it and put a new belt in it. So, yeah, and I haven't used a G5 at work, but apparently KG5 vacuums did, and apparently the bag was so full, it was like holding a concrete block. Now, I don't know what he meant by super full, but I don't doubt that a Kirby can fill a bag to the top. So, yeah. Now, I am not done collecting the G-Series. I have 2 Centrias, but I don't have a Centria 1 and a Centria 2. I want to get a Centria 2. I want to get both the Avaliers, and all I really need left for my for the earlier G-Series is a G3. So, yeah, I want to collect all the G-Series Kirby's. But that's going to have to do it for this video, since I don't have a G3 and the 2 and the Centria 2 and the 2 Avaliers. So, thank y'all for watching. Tell me how y'all liked it. Tell me what y'all want to see. I'll see what I can do, how I can do it, and when I can do it, and if I can do it. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for more content. And until next time, bye y'all.